All right, so if you want to configure locale for LubeLogger without the passing in the default environment variables such as lang and lc all, uh, or if you want to have a different date format than what your locale provides you, then this video is for you. So as you can see here, I have an instance of LubeLogger that doesn't have locale configured. So my currency symbol is defaulted to the default currency symbol, and my date format is in month, date, and year. And to configure this without passing in the environment variables, you log in as the root user, go to settings, click configure, click acknowledge and continue, and now there is a drop down called locale override. So for example, if I want to change my locale to German, so ENDE or DEDE, depending on where you are, I can just select ENDE from the locale override, and it would also display the sample of what the date time format and the currency and the number formats look like. So as you can see here, I have the comma as a decimal separator. And if you want a date time format that is in, say, ISO 8601, for example, you can click this drop down, locale datetime override, and select a locale that has the date format in ISO 8601. So that will be year, month, and date. And once that is done, you can see here the currency and number formats are still based on what's the German locale, and it's just the date and the date time format that is different. So once that is done, you're happy with how it looks, you click next, 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 and save. Click return to garage, and it might still display this, but that's because you just have to restart the Docker container. So if you click Docker compose restart, and I refresh the page, and now you can see that my locale, my currency is formatted in euros, and my date time is formatted in ISO 8601. So yeah, that is it.